Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Battery Hedge Trimmer is probably one of the most versatile and convenient tools for any homeowner looking to maintain a pristine garden, offering a cordless freedom that traditional corded trimmers simply cannot match, allowing you to navigate around obstacles and tackle hedges of all shapes and sizes with unparalleled ease and efficiency, making yard work less of a chore and more of a satisfying experience. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 40V Max Cordless Hedge Trimmer. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 40V Max Cordless Hedge Trimmer. It delivers high performance for all your trimming needs, easily cutting through hedges, shrubs, and branches. Experience a smoother trimming experience with its dual-action blade. This hardened steel blade is designed to minimize vibration, making your work more comfortable. Designed for ease of operation, it's lightweight and simple to maneuver. The ergonomic handle and integrated vibration reduction ensure comfortable handling during use. The powerful 40V Max lithium-ion battery provides long-lasting power. Plus, it's interchangeable with all other BLACK+DECKER 40V Max products for ultimate convenience. Achieve professional-looking results with this efficient and user-friendly hedge trimmer. It's the perfect tool for maintaining your outdoor spaces. What we like. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use hedge trimmer for general yard maintenance, this one is a great choice. Its powerful 40V Max battery ensures you have enough juice for most tasks, and the dual-action blade reduces vibration for a more comfortable experience. If you appreciate lightweight tools that are easy to maneuver, you should consider this option. What people say. The battery hedge trimmer is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making trimming tasks less strenuous. It cuts through branches cleanly and efficiently, even thicker ones, thanks to its sharp blades and powerful motor. The battery life is impressive, allowing for extended use on a single charge, which is great for larger yards. Number 4. Greenworks 40V Pole Saw and Hedge Trimmer Combo Kit. Introducing the Greenworks 40V Combo Kit. This versatile tool helps you keep your trees and hedges perfectly trimmed and healthy, boosting your home's curb appeal. The 8-inch bar and chain make trimming branches a breeze. It's designed for easy handling and efficient cutting of limbs. With a 20-inch dual-action blade, it delivers optimal performance for trimming tall hedges. The 7-position pivoting head allows you to reach and trim at multiple angles with ease. Quickly tighten the chain with the Easy Adjust tensioning system. Plus, the automatic oiler ensures durability by applying oil to the bar and chain, extending its life. Enjoy a virtually maintenance-free experience. There's no gas, no oil, and no emissions. It starts instantly, operates quietly, and provides the power you need for any job. What we like. For those who need to tackle both tall hedges and overhead branches, this combo kit is a game-changer. The pole hedge trimmer with its pivoting head allows you to reach awkward angles with ease, while the pole saw handles branch trimming. If you want a versatile, low-maintenance solution for comprehensive tree and hedge care, this is the one to get. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over an hour on a single charge. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even when trimming overhead hedges. The cutting blades are sharp and handle branches up to 3-4 inch thick with ease. Number 3. SnapFresh Cordless Grass Shear Bush Trimmer. Introducing a versatile 2-in-1 tool that handles both grass shearing and bush trimming. It comes with interchangeable blades for different yard care needs, easily cutting branches up to 0.31 inches thick. Experience precise trimming with its upgraded motor and sharp steel blades. This tool delivers consistent cutting performance for lawns, hedges, and various plants. Weighing just over a pound, it's designed for easy one-handed operation and superior control. The ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during use. Work with confidence thanks to the dual safety lock system that prevents accidental activation. Enjoy smooth trimming with a simple on-off switch for reliable cordless use. Enjoy the freedom of cordless trimming without tangled cords or bulky equipment. Its low-noise operation and rechargeable battery make yard work more convenient and peaceful. What we like. If you have a smaller yard or need a tool for precise detail work and quick touch-ups, this compact trimmer is ideal. Its 2-in-1 functionality means you can switch between grass shearing and bush trimming effortlessly. If you prioritize a lightweight, easy-to-handle tool with quiet operation, this is a fantastic choice for effortless garden tidying. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over an hour on a single charge. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making trimming hedges a breeze. The cutting blades are sharp and handle branches up to 3-4 inch thick with ease. Number 2. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless 2-in-1 Grass Trimmer and Hedge Trimmer. Meet the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless 2-in-1, your new go-to for garden maintenance. It's designed for reliability and ease of use. The included V20 1.5Ah lithium-ion battery offers consistent and dependable power for all your trimming tasks. You can count on it to get the job done. Achieve detailed and accurate cuts with its high-capacity blade, perfect for precise trimming. The hedge clippers can handle cuts up to 5/16 inch deep. This tool features an efficient 8-inch blade for trimming shrubs and a 4-inch blade for grass and garden bed cleanup. It's a truly flexible solution for your yard. Switching between trimming shrubs and shearing grass is a breeze. Enjoy the convenience of quick and easy blade changes with the included hedge shears. Experience smooth performance thanks to its lightweight, cordless technology. This makes operating your electric garden shears more comfortable than ever. This package includes everything you need: the shrubber, a V20 1.5Ah Li-ion battery, a V20 Li-ion charger, and both the hedge trimmer and grass shear blades. Plus, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This tool is perfect for gardeners who need flexibility in their yard work. The 2-in-1 design allows you to switch between trimming shrubs and shearing grass quickly, making it ideal for various tasks from garden bed cleanup to hedge maintenance. If you value convenience and the ability to adapt to different landscaping needs with a single tool, this is a solid pick. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for over an hour on a single charge. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making trimming hedges a breeze. The blades are sharp and cut through branches cleanly and efficiently. Number 1. Wild Badger Power 20V Hedge Trimmer. Discover a new level of cutting with our upgraded hedge trimmer. Its dual-sided, laser-cut blades effortlessly handle everything from small shrubs to medium-sized trees. Tackle any trimming job with impressive speed and precision. The powerful motor delivers 2400 SPM for swift and accurate results, whether you're shaping hedges or refining details. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of continuous operation on a single charge. This means you can achieve seamless landscaping results without frequent interruptions. Operate with confidence thanks to the included guard and bumper for added safety. We've also improved manufacturing for superior quality and reliability. Despite its power, it's incredibly lightweight and features anti-vibration technology. This ensures a comfortable and fatigue-free experience, even during extended use. This comes with a 20V 2.0Ah battery and charger. The battery is compatible with other Wild Badger 20V tools, offering a cost-effective way to build your yard care system. What we like. If you have larger hedges or a significant amount of trimming to do, this trimmer's extended runtime and powerful motor are major advantages. The 60-minute runtime means fewer interruptions, and the high SPM ensures efficient cutting. If you're invested in a 20V battery platform and need a robust, long-lasting tool for demanding landscaping jobs, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Battery Hedge Trimmer has a powerful motor that cuts through branches with ease. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods without fatigue. The trimmer features a safety lock-off switch to prevent accidental starts, ensuring user safety. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.